Yawning isn't tiredness. It's your nervous system doing a hard reboot while you're still trying to open your email. But why does it feel like a full factory reset? And why does one little yawn trigger a chain reaction across an entire room? Stick with me. We're decoding the biological glitch that's been hijacking us for centuries. Scientists think your brain is basically a gaming laptop left on too long. That wide, jaw-cracking gasp, it's pulling in cool air. The goal, drop your cranial temperature. Prevent the processors from melting. So that 3 p.m. stare into the void, not laziness, just your CPU begging for thermal paste and a nap. We're all just running background updates on wet cardboard. Now, the really weird part, social contagion. Ever watch a video of someone yawn and suddenly your jaw cracks? It's empathy on autopilot. Your mirror neurons are just copy-pasting the action. This wasn't discovered overnight. In 1900, researchers clocked how contagious yawns are across different social groups. Turns out, the more you care about the yawner, the faster you catch it, which explains why group chats and open-plan offices are basically yawning power plants. We're wired to sync up. Unfortunately, modern work schedules are wired to drain us. But wait, if it's just about cooling, why do dogs yawn? Why do babies do it in the womb? Because the cooling theory is just half the story. The other half, emotional regulation. So next time you're staring at a spreadsheet wide-eyed and trembling, remember that yawn isn't surrender, it's your brain hitting refresh. You're not broken, you're just buffering, we've all been there. Nodding at a meeting while your skull is literally trying to vent heat. It's exhausting, it's hilarious, it's deeply human. So respect the yawn, it's your body's built-in survival mode. And honestly, you deserve a break anyway. The emails will still be there tomorrow. Drop a yawn in the comments if your brain just rebooted. And subscribe because we're turning everyday mysteries into survival guides. See you in the next update.